Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Dark green color, blue color, light green color, red color, sky blue color, purple color, black color, yellow color, pink color. Now let's learn some alphabets. E. E for apple. B. B for bag. C. C for cup. D. D for dog. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for hat. I for ink. J. J for juice. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nose. O. O for orange. P. P for pen. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for toys. U. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. W. W for watch. X. X for Christmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Bye bye kids. See you soon in next video.